Alright, hello everyone. My name is V. This is Kratos. We are doing some socialization. More so we're doing actually work, leash work more than anything else. We just left Lowe's and we're about to head to Petco. The reason why we're doing this meeting is because Lowe's is literally across the way. It took us 5 seconds to get here. But we're about to go into Petco. It's not very busy out. Honestly, it's later in the day on a Saturday, so it's just not going to be as busy. But we did some good work. So we're going to go into Petco, and the thing we're going to work on here is Leave It, because there's a lot of smells that Kratos is going to want to smell, possibly other dogs, and so that's what we're going to be working on today. So stay tuned, you guys. Oh, whoops, I just started recording. All right, let's go. Oh, quickly, man. Leave it. Let's go. Ooh, it's got some cool in here. Leave it. Leave it. Let's go. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. There doesn't any other dogs in here as of yet. So I like the sniff and walk by. That's what I want to see. It's definitely on the bag. We're passing the food, y'all. So he's on the bag of food. Leave it. So I've mentioned this before, but Kratos has the best nose out of all my dogs. And so he can smell this food. Leave it. But one of the reasons why I wanted to go through this area too is alright, sorry. So I'm not sure if the video that I did before is lost. Leave it. But my phone went off for a second, so my bad, you guys. He's doing really good, but it's another dog, so leave it. Leave it. Oh, look at the beds. Oh, another doggo. Let's go. Good boy. Leave it. Not perfect, but pretty darn good. Leave it. 1 second. Sit. 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 All the way. Good boy. Okay, I was gonna fix his leash and fix my hold on it. It's not the greatest. Oh goodness, sorry y'all. Fix this. Go right around the neck. So there is at least one dog in here. I'm watching folks pass by. Okay, let's go. Good boy. I should go boy. Okay, I am gonna walk past these beds though, because the next bed that I get is gonna be big enough for Kratos and Jack to lay on. Leave it. Leave it. And so let's see here, y'all. Oh gosh, this bed right here. Look, kill him, bone, sniff it. That is like perfect. I mean, I feel like it could be. I feel like it could be thicker. Okay, I guess you're just gonna make yourself comfortable. But look, I don't know what bed was up here, but that's already $120. Let's see what's up. This is extra large. So this is what you get for like a Great Dane. Leave it. Look, ain't about to be no type of pulling out here at all, ever. So this looks like it's $130. This is what I would get. Honestly, Kratos can probably just lay, if he went to lay out on it, he'd take the whole bed. If he went to curl up, which he likes to do, you know, Jack can get in there with him. But it was good to know. Leave it. How before, man? He's like, well, you stop. I'm about to hang out. No, I'm sorry. I'm fixing his leash again. It's really hard to do this with one hand. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, well, let's go another round. I'm gonna go find the treats area. Hey, here we are. Leave it. Leave it. We might make a few rounds through here.
Yeah, it just depends on the size.
Leave it. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
You guys need help finding anything?
Oh no, we're just training. Leave it. Leave it. The boy. Come on. Come on. The boy, man. Oh, doing good. So I don't know if you guys actually saw it in the video, but we passed an area that was like the treats that they just kind of have out. And they're not in any packaging, so we just passed by that area. So he did pretty good. Wait, come on, let's go. Leave it. Okay, so like I said before, I don't mind him sniffing so long as he does it while moving. Like any pauses in our movement is not good. He's a Dogo Argentino Mastiff. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, he's a bit dirty right now, but thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, he's dirty real easily.
Yeah, the white, you see it right away.
Yeah. I feel like he's the dirtiest of all my dogs because he's white. So, so what you doing? Did you want it? You want it? No? Okay. Well, sit. Oh, do you want to play with it? Alright, Kratos, come on. Sit. He's a little fearful, but he'll probably give you a kiss. Oh, go say hi. Go say hi. We just came from Lowe's where they gave him treats, so he's like, "Oh, you have no treats." Want to say hi
to
to
a
him?
dog like that too, though. Kind of go up to your carefully and then bag off.
Yeah. I have another dog.
She's protected. But outside somewhere, she's like, yeah, I'm not really sure.
Yeah. Well, he's not much of anything. He's young, so he's not much of anything right now. But I have a pet who, she's protective inside the house, but outside the house she wants to love everybody. So it's really hard for her. He's 6 months old. He's 6 months old. So.
He's gonna be big.
Yeah, he's pretty big already. Yeah, so he'll be big. He'll probably get up to my hips and pedaling. We'll see where you're going. You're just making a mess. You're making a mess. All right, well, thank you. Oh.
I was in the bathroom and I walked over there.
Okay.
And he started freaking out.
Aw.
Your dad, we gotta walk away. We
Yeah.
can't let her see. She's not sitting for them now.
Yeah, and she's oh, he's a good boy.
That's good.
Yeah, not good boy. I do have Baloney with me, but we're trying to work on Leave It. He has a really good nose, and so he wants to stop and sniff everything. So we're working on some training. Say hi.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, he's a boy. All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too, bye-bye.
Come on, man. Wait. Sit. 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 The boy. I'm getting too distracted. So I hear a squeaky toy that I am not playing with now. Alright, y'all. We're not going to hang around too much. We're going to take another lap and then head on out. I said sit. Alright. Let's go.
Please only visit the Petco Zoo if you're adding a new pet to your family. For a full list of our safety and cleanliness standards, visit petco.com/COVID-19. We're all of this together. Let's do our part. Thank you for choosing Petco.
Leave it. The toilet area. Looks like there used to be cats in here. I think there's not. I am severely alert. Let's go. Leave it. Just focus on walking, my guy. You want to say hi to the fishies? The fish, but definitely have to leave it. He's definitely acting like he can smell it. Sit. 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 So later we will work on the way he sits. I'm sitting at my side. Right now, any sitting is good sitting. Oh, sorry, y'all. Fix collar. Alright, let's go. So where are we heading now? Hello. Where's the pucker? I'm going to exit that way, so this will be interesting. Okay, we're back. Alright, so we got a little puppy over there. Got another little puppy over there. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. The boy.
I can pet him?
He's not, he might kiss your hand, but he's not going to let you pet him. He's a little scared. Like a boy. Like a boy. See the focus. I'm just gonna sit and watch. Alright, so we're gonna attempt to walk past this puppy. It's not gonna be pretty, but let's go. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. So messy, but we did. Hey, starting to rain. Sit. 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 Good boy. Alright, it is starting to rain, so we're gonna head out. So yeah, thanks for joining us, you guys. So I tried to upload a video at least once a day. Sometimes the weekends is more, so I just have more time. But if you enjoy this, please consider subscribing and hit those notifications. Alright, bye. Alright, hello guys. So if this looks very familiar to the Lowe's video introduction that I did, that's because I literally just took that video 5 seconds ago. Well, I guess 10 seconds ago now. But this is a summary of what happened at Petco. So, I don't know how many people actually make it this far, but there was a point there where somebody asked if they can pet my dog, and I said, well, he will not. He will lick you. I don't actually know what I said, but I saw you guys got in the video. But I said that, yeah, he won't let you pet him, but, you know, he'll probably lick your hand or whatever. He'll sniff you, and that's fine. And the guy decided not to pet Kratos, which is totally fine. It's whatever. But I wanted to mention that because it's really important for you guys when you do have pets who are wary of strangers, to understand that your pet does not need to be friendly with everybody. Your pet does not need to be accepting of everyone. And on top of that, if they're not comfortable with everyone, then don't feel like you need to have these people. Sorry, I'm messing with my hair, y'all. I don't know if it was shaky. Don't feel like you're obligated to have people pet your dog. Honestly, I would prefer people would just not touch my dog and will ask me first. Well, usually they do ask me first, but you'll have some people who just kind of come up and pet your dog. So if people are so don't feel obligated to have people pet your dogs. Just know you need to do what's in the best interest for your dog. And if your dog is uncomfortable with that, the best interest for you then is to make sure that your dog stays comfortable so they don't go out and bite somebody. Because if they bite somebody, then you're going to be in trouble. Your dog's going to be in trouble. So like I said, don't feel obligated to have people pet your dogs, even if they're sweet people, if they have kids, whatever the situation is. If you know your dog and you know your dog's not comfortable with it, then don't feel obligated to have them pet your dog. So and then maybe they'll be offended by it, but it's whatever. You need to do what's best for your dog, and making your dog uncomfortable and I mean, in certain situations you need to make your dog comfortable, but you need to make get your dog used to situations in a way that is healthy for them. And just having somebody reach up and touch them might be too much for your dog, depending on where they're at. And with Kratos, he's not about that life. So anyway, y'all, this is way too long for a summary. I do hope you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah, I guess until next time, y'all. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I have more things to say, but y'all have to see her in the next video. So talk to you guys later. Bye.